Okay. I hope you are able to achieve your pace setter, currently achieving. Done na yan, di ba? Siyempre si Juliana, Joshua, Jen. Alright, so welcome everyone. And kung first time mo naman, ang daming tanong na kung first time mo maka-attend ng product training, type 1 in the chat box. I just would like to know yung kung anong klase yung crowd natin, no? Para I would know up to what extent I can help you. Okay. So, okay, si Juliana, Vincent. Sa mga nag-type ng 1, can you share in the chat box yung mga profession po natin? Okay. So, meron ba ditong mga fellow health allies? Ang kagandahan naman kasi guys, no, sa business natin, regardless of your background, it's very easy to understand yung mga products natin. Especially para siya sa health natin, right? Okay, so we have an engineer in the house. Very technical, ano? So I'm gonna be sharing my screen. Let me know if you can see it already. Okay. So regardless of how many times you have attended the product training already, ang very important, guys, is mastery. Yung talagang dumadating sa point na kahit, alam mo yun, especially during this pandemic time, back then, no, during the pandemic, there was a time na sobrang sunod-sunod yung mga online presentation. And sometimes I just alam mo yun, napapapikit ka na lang talaga, dire-diretso ka pa din nag-e-explain, 'di ba? So to that extent, so it means na master mo na talaga yung business mo. Okay, so we also have hotelier. Okay, student, national athlete. Wow. So very helpful itong ating training. Okay, so pasuyo na lang po ng ating mga mic para baka dire-diretso ang ating training. So I hope you have your notes and pen ready. I'm gonna share my screen right now. So I have entitled this product training as Optimal Health as Your Competitive Advantage because tama ba, regardless ng ating background, right, ng ating tinapos, whatever your goals are, it's very important that we are optimally healthy. Okay? So, sino dito yung first time makarinig from an R&D? Can you type 1 in the chat box? Kasi kanina, no, actually may kausap din akong student kanina. Nursing naman yon. And yeah, tinanong niya ano po yung ginagawa ng isang nutritionist dietitian. So we actually have 3 areas of expertise. So kung na-confine na kayo, ano yung pagkain na dumating doon sa kwarto nyo, hindi naman kami yung nagluto nun, pero kami yung parang nagbigay ng direction, no? Anong klaseng diet, kung hypertensive ka, low sodium diet, ganyan. Kung na-dengue ka, no dark colored food, mga ganyan. Okay, so and, some people will say na minsan daw parang walang lasa yung food. Well, depende po yon sa kaso ng health ninyo by the time na ma-confine ka. Depende rin sa, minsan no, sa ano ng room, ganyan. But I never, kumbaga nag-OJT lang ako sa Manila Doctors, but I didn't choose to go for a hospital setting, but rather I'm on a clinic setting base and focusing right now on public health as well. So currently, I'm a consultant in Pacific Hyperbaric and Regenerative Center sa hyperbaric facility. And via online, I also do consults through Mentora and Project Me. I'm happily busy right now when it comes to yan sa mga corporate wellness, company health, engagements and all. No? And at the same time sa mga brand collaborations, mga katulad yung artistahin, tama ba? Okay, so we are very grateful that we are given this opportunity as well. And siguro ma-attribute ko rin talaga yan because of the exposure that I had here in Luzana before naman all those opportunities came to me when I started here in the business talagang, alam mo yun, ang dami natin kinakausap, diba? Different kinds of people, different kinds of needs and personalities. So if you are new in the business, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan because, the skills that you will gain in this opportunity can really open a lot of, big doors along the way. Ayan, so shout out sa ating corporate team then for giving me the platform because when you always talk about these things, no, especially about health, mas kumbaga mai-ignite talaga yung passion mo to become healthier for yourself, for your family, kasi lagi mo siyang sinasabi, 'di ba? Sabi nga kung ano yung lagi mong sinasabi siyang nangyayari, right? Pagka-graduate ko naman ng nutrition, hindi naman agad-agad na super health conscious ako. Okay? It's actually an ongoing process, yung fitness journey natin, right? And ang maganda nun, since we are already in this opportunity, as we always share to other people, kumbaga nagiging ano na rin natin talaga siya, identity, no, over time. Okay, so how did I know you, Zana? So noon pa man, naririnig ko na siya. Sino ba dito yung nung napresentan siya, hindi, kumbaga narinig mo naman na before, it's just that you have not decided yet at that time. So type me in the chat box kung hindi mo first time marinig si Yosana nung napresentan ka. Okay? Type me. Meron ba ditong mga ganon? Or lahat dito, karamihan, first time. Kung type 1, if nung napresentan ka, first time mo marinig si Yosana. Because it's very important for you to remember this part para yung mga kakausapin mo, naiintindihan mo rin sila, where are they coming from. Okay? So that you can also manage your expectations and maintindihan mo, alam mo yun, you can manage your emotions. Why is it that yung mga kinakausap natin react that way? Okay? So, ayan, karamihan first time nila marinig si Yusana, sina Charlie and Paul, no? So, ako growing up, we've been taking kasi different kinds of vitamins already, supplements, ganyan. Kaya, kumbaga, nung narinig ko si Yusana na tinitake ng brother ko, since hindi niya naman in-explain sa akin, 'di ba? Parang pumasok lang sa kanan, labas sa kaliwa, ganong level. Until 2019, it was my cousin who is a nutritionist also and a medical doctor who explained to me in detail, no, about Yosana. Pero during that time, kakagaling niya lang kasi sa convention. So, sabi niya, oh, wala akong slide na ipapakita, walang anything. Basta ito daw yung naintindihan niya sa convention. Puro energy yung naramdaman ko sa kanya, no? And ito daw yung plano, marami daw tayong people na tutulungan sa being healthy and all that. But then since I'm taking a different vitamins at that time, ang first question ko sa kanya is, ano bang difference niyan kumpara sa iba? So good thing meron siyang Nutri-Search. Meron ba kayong Nutri-Search, guys? So ito talaga yung nagpa-decide din sa akin, no? Kaya it's very important for you to be equipped. Okay? So yes, you can still parang present the opportunity kahit hindi ka super 100% kompleto. But so long as naiintindihan mo yung vision, okay, of our company, the purpose why you are doing it, and at the same time, you always have that energy and excitement, okay, habang ine-explain mo siya. So, sino dito ang pupunta sa convention? Type Hong Kong in the chat box. So, magkita-kita po tayo doon next year. Ayan. So, super, exciting. Okay. So, over time, I have encountered a lot of clients and I'm sure makaka-relate din kayo, 'di ba, sa mga nakakausap natin. Pero how do we handle ba the situation? Okay? So, pero kayo makakausap, hindi sila nagtitake ng supplements. Ang mga linyahan nila, sasabihin nila, oh, natural lang ako. Okay na, organic, makuha ko na lang lahat sa fruits and vegetables. Okay na. Okay? Have you encountered that client, type 1? If you are able to encounter that. Talagang grabe yung paninindigan nila na and belief nila makukuha talaga nila lahat ng vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables alone. Okay, so later, no, tingnan natin how do we handle that situation further. And then meron naman na nagtitake na ng mga supplements, yes. Okay, but they are the common ones na over the counter. Yes, nagtitake naman ako, vitamin C, multivitamins, ganyan, magtatayon and on. While there are people who already know Yusana, nag-take sila dati, pero they stopped for some reason. It can be ang perspective na pwedeng namahalan or wala na silang nagsusupply sa kanila. Or may iba naman nagtitake but they're not taking it at optimal dose or yung tama talaga para doon sa health concern nila. Okay? So, regardless kung yung taong kausap mo is 1, 2, or 3, it's very important to meet people where they are. So start the discussion from there. Kasi 'di ba ang usual naman na flow ng tinuturo sa atin, okay, especially during the presentation, it always starts with hello. Ayan. It always starts with the health reality. Okay, and then tatawid ka sa importance of supplementation. Then you get to talk about the USANA difference. But yung length of time, okay, nung uh, how you discuss things, no, in each area, medyo pakiramdaman mo rin yung kausap mo if how well they are responding. Let me know pala kung medyo naglalag ako kasi parang, alright. So there, it's very important for you to have the basic knowledge ng tatlong to, in which regardless naman kung ilang days, ilang weeks ka na here in the business, I believe this is very easy also to understand. Okay? So health realities today, importance of supplementation. At yan din naman yung magiging flow natin for tonight. Okay? On a more comprehensive way lang. So sa mga health realities, pasadahan lang natin to very quick, no? As we all know, na ano ba yung kalaban natin. Kasi for some, even itong recently, no, when we had our exhibit, ang dami pa rin talagang mga, lalo na nasa 20s stage na hindi pa rin nila masyadong magets the importance of supplementation. Bakit mo daw kailangan ng vitamins and all that, vitamins, minerals, antioxidant. The thing is, guys, araw-araw napapaligiran, ang dami nating kalaban. Okay? So in the form of stress, pollution, radiation, etc. So ang tanong, ano yung panlaban mo? Okay? So again, every day, araw-araw, napapaligiran ka ng iba't ibang klase ng kalaban. Ang tanong, ano ang panlaban mo? Okay? So the point being, lalo na kung yung diet natin, no, you're always surrounded with, and pwede mo rin tong tanongin sa kausap mo, gano'n sila kadalas kumain ng mga processed food, fast food, fried food, lalo na kung araw-araw mga pritong pagkain, 'di ba? So for sure, you can show them how the cells look like under the microscope, because over time, okay, pagka nasira yung cells, it will lead to organ damage, 'di ba? So isa sa mga root cause, no, ng bakit ang dami talagang mga classic sakit ngayon, it's because people are overfed but undernourished. Feeling lang natin, nabubusog tayo, pero kulang talaga sa sustansya yung kinakain natin. Right? So, especially, ano yung usual na, can we record this po? Is it recording? Ayan. Ayan, recording na. Thank you. So, as we all know, yung mga usual Filipino breakfast, like, ano ba, kape, pandesal, okay, so, more of carbs yun, wala pang protein. Minsan feeling natin, okay na siya, but really, it's not enough. Okay, so, maganda rin, nagpapakita tayo guys ng mga ganitong reference sa ating mga clients para makita nila na yung information, hindi mo lang gawa-gawa. Okay, it's really coming from data. Because according to Food and Nutrition Research Institute, talagang yung basic na minimum 400 grams minimum requirement for a fruits and vegetable, hindi talaga na-achieve more than like 90% of Filipinos. And that is also backed up by this study. There is a study wherein more than 1,000 plus working adults, karamihan sa mga basic vitamins, itong mga B-complex, vitamin C, and all that, kulang sila sa daily diet nila. And take note, the working class are, the most important part of the sector as well, diba? Kasi nga, they bring in a lot of productivity sa community natin. Okay? Lalo na yung mga B-complex na to, it's very important na ma-turn yung calories na kinain natin into energy. So ito rin yung dahilan kung bakit some people would notice na kumain naman ako 3 times a day pa nga, pero bakit parang ang dali kong mapagod? It's because as basic as B-complex, wala sa diet or kulang. Okay? That's why it's very important to optimize that. And then, this is one of the references you can show for those people who are really into fruits and vegetables only, na talagang grabe yung belief nila na makuha lang talaga, na kaya na ng fruits and vegetables. But the thing is, sa totoo lang, kahit talaga mag-fresh salad sila, chop suey, pinakbet, umaga, tanghali, gabi, it will never be enough. No? Kasi sabi nga ng DA, even yung soil po natin is kulang sa sustansya. So we cannot expect, no, dun yung mga tutubo doon na mga prutas, gulay is kayang maibigay lahat ng nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin. Take note, at optimal level. So kung okay lang sa'yo na pwede na, sakto na, ganyan, then okay. Pero kung gusto mo talaga na optimal amount, then it's very important to add on supplements. It's not a replacement. We still highly encourage everyone to, of course, eat fruits and vegetables. Even ako, talagang I make sure that every meal, every snack, meron yan. Any fruit or vegetable na mataas sa fiber and all. But yun nga, hindi ko siya ine-expect to give me the optimal levels that I need. I believe talaga that supplements will really fill in the gap. Kasi pag nag-age din tayo, right, mas tumataas yung nutrient requirement given the stress level, and at the same time, for prevention as well. So as we all know, not all supplements are created the same. There are three kinds: pharma grade, feed grade, and food grade. And very basic, no, I wish I understood Yusana earlier. Ano yung sobrang tumatak sa akin when I knew Yusana? First talaga is the Nutri-Search, especially for those who type 1 earlier. It's very important to emphasize this one. Kasi lalo na kung nagtitake na ng vitamins yung kausap mo, na katulad ko, importante ma-highlight talaga what sets Yusana apart from the rest of the brands. So this is what I always say is that this is a third-party study. You need to always start from there. Because some may think na, ay, bias ka. Alam mo na, di ba? Minsan inisip natin, bakit 5-star yan? Baka si Yusana yung nagano and all that. But this study was conducted in Canada, Ministry of Health na Canada, para siyang TOH ng Pilipinas. And the goal really of this study is to inform the public kung ano ba yung ideal na brand in terms of, the absorption rate, the potential toxicity. And ikaw, syempre, di ba, as consumer na bumibili, gusto mo na lahat ng mabibili mo is may value for money. Na parang walang tapon yung pera mo, right? So, that's the point of educating people the difference of Yusana as compared to other brands given this book. And also, ito pinapakita ko din to, especially for those na first time nilang malaman ng Yusana. Talagang I bring out my phone and show to them via Google, type there, what is the #1 supplement in the Philippines? Ang lalabas dyan, Yusana. It's really, parang maganda siyang intro, okay? Before mo ipakita yung ibang credentials ni Yusana. Kasi syempre, hindi ikaw yung nagsabi. Again, third party. Okay? So usually, again, pagka first time nila, whenever I ask, have you heard about Yusana? Ganyan, hindi po, first time. So usually yung Google talaga muna, dyan ako nagsa-start. Conversation starter, what is the #1? Pag tumaas na yung kilay nila, nakita mo sa reaction nila, oh wow, ganyan. Dun ka naman sa start magtanong, di ba? Nagka-vitamins pa sila and all that. So, as we know, our founder is a scientist, di ba? By the name of Dr. Myron Wentz. And amazing talaga yung vision niya. It's one of the things na sobrang nag-attract din sa akin. And I believe it's very important also to mention that. And meron tayong more than 150 scientists, right, as of the moment, located in our own manufacturing facility. So take note, guys, maganda rin i-emphasize na sarili natin yung manufacturing facility because there are a lot of supplements nagpapagawa lang sila sa iba. Okay, marami ng parang nagre-rebrand ng iba't ibang vitamins. So kapag meron ka kasing sariling manufacturing facility, of course, no, you have the command for everything. And sobra din nakakabilib because common knowledge, ang alam lang ng karamihan is yung FDA, diba? Oh, FDA ba yan? That's good to know na FDA ang isang brand. However, if you're really keen into supplementation, parang may extra pogi points talaga kapag merong mga third-party certification. So I'm sure usually nakikita nyo lang yung mga logo na yan, but let me elaborate some of ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng mga third-party certification na yan. Kasi sa totoo lang, guys, hindi mo mababayaran yung mga to para lang ma-publish na magaling ka. So if hindi ka talaga pumasa sa standard nila, they will not parang acknowledge you, okay? So I'm sure you've been hearing about this. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin that Yusana is a pharmaceutical grade? It's because for common na maipasa nung ibang supplement brands yung Part 111, yung may current good manufacturing practice. Okay? However, talagang extra mile, no? Kapag pinasa din nila yung Part 211, which is they practice on a pharmaceutical standard. Hindi naman siya required actually for a supplement. Masyado lang talagang ginalingan, no? Iba lang talaga yung standard ni Dr. Myron Wins at ng mga scientists natin. And ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng USP? Okay, so I have encountered a certain question as well. Wag po ba yan ininom po, ano pong kasiguraduhan na matutunaw yan sa loob ng katawan ko? Alam mo, may mga ganong tanong. So you can have this backup, knowledge. So ito namang mga bagay na to guys, yung mga pag-uusapan natin tonight. Whenever you talk about our products, not entirely you don't have to say it sa kausap mo. Yung iba dito, pwedeng stored backup knowledge mo lang siya. And then you say it whenever there is a need to say it. Okay, depende again doon sa kausap mo. Kasi ang bida pa rin talaga is yung ating client and we only feed the information kung ano yung necessary. We don't need to feed everything kasi may tendency na ma-overwhelm at mag-overthink, okay, yung kausap natin. Alright, so yung USP, third-party certification, it makes sure na yung brand na ina-approve nila na kung ano yung nasa bote, yun talaga yung laman ng tablet. It does not contain any harmful levels. Next is NSF for Sport. That's why approved tayo ng napakaraming sports organization. Isa na dyan ng WTA. If you will go to World Tennis Association, na-try nyo na ba guys? Sobrang nakaka-proud, no? Lalo na ngayon, sobrang sikat ni Alex Ayala. If you go to WTA, nag-iisang USANA doon, the official, no? Supplement tayo dyan. Okay? Kaya nakaka-proud. NSF for Sport, label claim review, toxicology review, contaminant review, it makes sure na walang any banned substances. Because there are instances, by the way, like I think it was sa NBA ata yon. May isang player na meron siyang tinitake na particular nutritionals. Wala naman siyang kamalay-malay na meron palang mga banned substances na hindi dapat siyang, hindi niya alam na dun sa brand na iniinom niya is merong banned substance. So, ang nangyari, I think, na-pause siya from playing because during the medical, na-detect yun sa katawan niya. O, diba? So, nakaka-damage talaga ng career ng athlete kapag meron silang iniinom na hindi naman nila sure if it's really, napakataas ng quality and suitable for their health. Kaya, sobrang plus factor talaga na lahat to na ipasa ni USANA. And this is super matindi rin, consumerlab.com. Marami na itong mga pinagsak na brands. Kasi pag hindi ka talaga matino, sorry, no, they would not approve you or give you that seal because they are an independent tester of quality, purity, and label accuracy. Kung ano yung mga nasa nutrition facts, yun talaga dapat yung laman ng tablet. So, ang maganda dito guys, I think from time to time, hindi lang na-acquire ng USANA ito one time, yung mga seals na to. I think from time to time, every 1 to 2 years, nag-undergo ulit sila ng testing. So, that means talagang ganun ka-consistent yung standards that we have. Okay, so, ayan, may mga athlete tayong kasama dito. Kaya we're very grateful, no, na we are part of and we are trusted by different athletes, not just here in the Philippines, but also globally. And we're also the official supplement of the Philippine Basketball Association. Published din po tayo sa mga medical references. Do we have doctors in the house or mga allied health? Okay, it's also very good to, let them know about this. Like, for example, yung I am doctor na nandyan sa baba, si Dr. Norman. Sobrang rin siya, kumbaga, napahanga, no, na, oh wow, talagang nandyan pala, nakalista pala si USANA sa PPP. And, it can be also a deciding factor for them para ma-increase yung belief nila of our brand and our product. Okay, so let's move on to our products this time. Okay, sino na yung nakarinig nito or naka-encounter nito? Ay, bakit ang dami? Need ba yan lahat? Pwede ba sabay-sabay inumin? Anong mga sinagot nyo? Alright, me. Okay, type me in the chat box. Sige nga. Sino na yung naka-encounter nito? I'm gonna share to you how I usually answer this. And so far, I'll give you 3 options, okay, to answer this. Yung isang tanong ko, feeling mo sa itsura ng kausap mo, hindi pa siya masyadong na-convince, sabihin mo yung pangalawa. Kung feeling mo, naglo-loading pa rin siya, hindi pa rin niya masyadong na-sink in, sabihin mo yung pangatlo. Okay, so are you ready? So sobrang nito, helpful so far. So makakatulong to para it's easier for you to sell the energy kit at makapag-subscribe and save sila. 'Di ba? Kasi pag naintindihan naman talaga nila, it would really make sense, right? So, first is, lahat naman tayo nag-biology class, correct? Pinag-aralan natin to nung, I think, grade 3, grade 4, elementary days. So, I usually say this, reminisce ko sa kanila na lahat tayo, 'di ba, nag-biology class and we have studied about what the different organ systems is, right? Meron kang cardiovascular system, digestive system, skeletal, etc. At madami din sila, correct? So you have to mirror the words of, your client. Kasi sabi niya, uy, parang ang dami. So you have to relate it in such a way that's it's familiar to them. Eh, kasi yun yung parang, niya no, dun siya nagkakaroon ng conflict, right? So you have to associate na yung madami na word na sinasabi ng kausap mo is actually something that they have a truth or a belief that they have accepted way before, which is part of it kapag aralan natin during our biology class na yes, marami tayong organ system na sobrang complicated na kailangan natin paganahin 100% at 24/7, right? And sabi dito na for every system, for its organ to function well, it demands vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fuel their work. Pag kulang sa nutrients, hindi sila gagana ng maayos at 100%. Kaya yung iba, ang tendency, lumalaki sila, mahina ang puso, mahina ang baga, hindi palaban, konting ulan lang, sipunin, ubuhin, minsan tatagal pa ng more than 2 weeks kahit naka-antibiotic na. So, ikaw ba, friend? Ano yung gusto mong ma-improve sa health mo? Diba? So, that's one. Okay? So, do you want more? Answer number 2. Ayan. Uy, di ba, friend, ang isang taong maraming sakit, may iba't ibang doktor. May kilala ka bang ganon? Di ba? So, lalo na kung halimbawa may parents sila na ang daming sakit or lolo, lola, may cardio, may IM, iba yung doktor sa kidney, iba yung doktor sa buto, iba yung doktor sa cancer. And take note, madami silang gamot na nire-reseta just to address each part of that problem, no? Kung ano mong organ problem yan. Now, vitamins also work the same way. Pero ang maganda doon, more on prevention siya. And good news, kung wala ka namang major na mga health issues ngayon, it's time. Buti na lang pala nag-usap tayo. Ganyan ang linyahan. Diba? So, ano ba yung gusto mong ma-improve sa health mo ngayon? So, you should always end also with a question para dire-diretso yung conversation. Okay? So, gusto niyo pa ba ng isa pa? Back up? Pag hindi pa rin siya na-satisfy sa first 2 um, answer mo. Okay? Lalo na kapag ka-working yung kausap mo, you can also answer by this. Friend, di ba sa company nyo may iba't ibang department? May finance, may HR, procurement, etc. Di ba bawat isa sa kanila nagre-require ng certain tools, etc. ganyan, for them to function optimally? Pag wala ba silang mga computer, laptop, etc. ganyan, do you think they can, deliver the output needed? So, kaya kailangan mo din ibigay sa bawat parte ng katawan mo what it demands so your organs can do its job well. Gusto mo ba tamarin trumabaho yung utak natin, puso natin? Ayaw natin yon, di ba? So, yung mga ganyan, right? So, I hope these lines can give insights, okay, and clarity doon sa kausapan. Hindi mo kailangan sabihin yan lahat. Yung iba pwedeng, kung satisfied na naman siya sa isa or dalawa dyan, then you're good to go. Continue your discussion. Okay? So, important as well for us to understand that ang Cell Essentials hindi lang siya just a multivitamin. You really have to set Cell Essentials apart na hindi lang siya kombinasyon ng mga vitamins, minerals, ganyan. Why? Because they are a carefully selected nutrients that will enable your cells to communicate properly. May sarili pong language ang ating cells. No, nag-uusap-usap sila. Ano yung isa sa mga kumbaga nagiging sign na hindi na maayos nakikipag-usap yung cells natin sa bawat isa? One health issue is autoimmune diseases, right? Because what happens sa may mga autoimmune, dapat yung sarili mo kasing immune cells, they are protecting you. Ang nangyayari, kinakalaban yung sarili mo, katawan, 'di ba? So that's one way, parang medyo nababaliw ba yung ano natin, yung cellular uh, communication. So they have to communicate properly. Ganon din guys, no? It's the same thing what's happening sa like mga military and all that. Kapag imagine niyo kapag when it comes to the military communication, comparing it sa base dun sa mga, 'di ba may mga naka-station yan sila sa iba't ibang lugar. Kapag ka-delayed yung communication, ano mangyayari? Or hindi proper, 'di ba? Nakapasok na yung kalaban, marami ng kumbaga parang na-invade, no? Or baka marami ng mga namatay dun sa area kasi nga hindi proper yung communication. So the same goes in our body. Kapag hindi agad na-detect ng katawan mo na kalaban pala 'to at saka hindi siya gano'n ka-responsive, do'n nagkakaroon ng mga health problems. That's why it's very important for us to recognize really the importance. That's the parang concept 'no ng intelligence technology. It's not just a combination na vitamins, minerals, it will just protect you and all that. But ang pinaka-important na part do'n is yung cellular identity, ma-make sure ng mga cells mo na alam mo yung listo sila, hindi sila alam nila yung dapat gawin. They know their job to function at 100%. And we're very grateful also because 2020 na-approve yung patent natin, right? That it can increase lifespan. So you can also ask this to your client na, 'di ba gusto niyo rin humaba yung buhay natin. So ito, this is, sabi nga nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So for sure, this is, your answered prayer, right? Maraming mga nagpipray, nagdadasal na gustong humaba yung buhay nila. Amen? Okay, can I get an amen for that? But the action has to be on our part. And I believe Yosana has been one of our answered prayers, diba, sa life natin. Okay, so sa essentials, you can always mention about these basic 5, no? Kung ano yung mga health benefits, mas mag-i-improve po yung sleep natin, gaganda yung bowel movement, better metabolism, especially as we age, bumabagal talaga yung metabolism. But that doesn't have to be your reality if you can do something about it naman, diba? Extra energy and healthier skin. Siyempre kapag ka naiilabas natin lahat ng dumi sa katawan natin, magre-reflect yan sa skin health. Okay, so others will say, mahal nga ba ang Yosana? It's very important to show this one that we have more than 40 plus vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And that parang more or less, no, 33 pesos lang siya per pair. And kung kukunin mo siya sa labas, mas mapapamahal ka pa. And so in this way, pag napakita mo yung per unit cost niya, parang nadadwarf mo yung cost ng ating product. And syempre, mas mahal magkasakit. You also have to relate it na matindi talaga yung savings natin long term kapag healthy tayo. Right? Sometimes I also say na pag sinabi nila na mahal, I also ask them, friend, di mo ba mahal ang sarili mo? Di ba? You can say it in a way na medyo, hindi naman siya offensive, right? Lalo na kung you have a relationship naman dun sa kausap mo. So for the kids, ang kagandahan dyan, wala rin siyang nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claim, same as Essentials. Both of our multivitamins for adults and for kids, it's for prevention and treatment of vitamin and mineral deficiency. So just to share with you some of my clients na mas matangkad pa sila, no? Mas matangkad pa yung anak kumpara dun sa magulang, ganyang level. Yan talaga yung usual na feedback kapag sa Animals, yung mas mabilis silang tumangkad, and also sa school, okay, mas competitive, right? May it be an academics and sports. Ayan, so may mga skin issues, 'di ba? Usually kasi may mga bata sobrang hilig nila sa mga sweets, mga inflammatory food, anything na sweets, processed food, fried, mga nuggets, hotdog, ganyan, it gives inflammation sa katawan ng bata, sa katawan nating lahat actually. So, and eventually it can manifest through a lot of skin problems. So apart from US animals, ano pa yung pwedeng ibigay sa mga bata? Pwede rin po yung omega-3. Sobrang basic niyan because, for brain development and all. Nag-study sila sa school. Probiotic for the gut health. Dahil over time, nasisira nga yung gut health nila because of too much inflammation coming from poor food choices. It's very important to replenish the good bacteria that was lost over time. Also, some parents would also say na kung magkalagnat man, ang bilis makarecover. Okay, so as you can see here, sabi ng isa sa mga mommy, 1 day lang tumagal yung lagnat. Yung iba, grabe, ilang araw na kahit nagtempera na in all, talagang walang nangyayari. Pero but with use animals, mas nagiging palaban yung katawan mo. So kumbaga guys, kapag naman nakayo sana tayo, it doesn't mean naman na hindi ka na magkakasakit. Possible pa rin because again, there are a lot of lifestyle factors which can affect bakit tayo nagkakasakit. Right? Nandiyan ang stress, pollution, lack of sleep, and all that, yung mga other food items natin. But the thing is, at least, mas nagiging palaban po yung katawan natin. Hindi ka madaling bumigay. Madali kang makarecover. Okay? So, moving forward, how do we share the optimizers? Usually, you can have this guide or flow. Always ask the right questions. Share your personal story or experience. Kung wala ka pang personal experience sa product na yun, you can, borrow from someone else. Kaya kapag nasa office, take advantage, no, to connect and chika-chika from other associates natin kasi they might have a good experience about the other products. Pwede mo rin yung i-take note. And pwede mong sabihin din sa mga ibang nakakausap mo kasi you might encounter the same. And ano yung tamang recommendation? Pati yung science behind it. No? It's very important also to say that. Pero optional siya din. Depende minsan sa comprehension level na kausap natin or kumbaga kung tingin mo need pa ba talagang sabihin. Kasi there are times naman na yung iba very direct and straightforward na ito yung nararamdaman ko, okay, ano yung pwede for ganon. So, pero maganda pa rin siyang malaman because that will strengthen your belief about the products. Kaya doon din ako mainly mako-focus right now because I believe if you have this backup knowledge pagdating sa science or concept ng mga products natin, the more nyo siyang ma-appreciate and kayo personally mas sisipagin kayo actually mag-take, ganon din yung family nyo. And at the same time, mas magkakaroon kayo ng stories to tell, right? And eventually, you get to also have that, kayo na mismo yung makakapag-formulate, kumbaga, ng tamang questions para sa mga clients over time. So for example, this is a sample flow on how you can converse with your client. Sa Pure Rest, halimbawa, "Uy friend, kamusta yung sleep mo? Kaya mo naman maka 7 to 8 hours?" Pag sinabi niya na, "Ay kung hindi mga ano lang, 3 hours, minsan ano pa, putol-putol pa," ganyan. So, you can start by sharing your personal story or narinig mo from someone else, it's fine. So, something like, meron akong friend dati, hirap din talaga yung makatulog. Sometimes, more than 1 hour na yun nakahiga, hindi pa rin talaga nakakatulog. But after taking um, 1 tablet lang of Pure Rest sublingually, mas nag-improve yung sleep niya. Okay? Hindi na siya madaling magising. I mean, hindi siya mababaw matulog. Kaya worry din yung iba, no? Sasabihin nila, magigising pa ba ako dyan? Oo naman, syempre, because it's not a sleeping pill na talagang parang sedative, no? Yung iba hypnotic kasi yung mga medication. So it's not a sleeping pill, guys, okay? Pure Rest, it supports your sleep and wake cycle. Pag sinabing sleep and wake cycle, ang isang cycle kasi usually 2 to 3 hours yan. And for some, hindi sila nakakatawid doon sa susunod na cycle. So ideally, dire-diretso yun eh. So yun yung inaayos actually ng Pure Rest, yung natural sleep and wake cycle. And you have to remind them that it's sublingual, natutunaw siya sa ilalim ng dila. Kasi yung ibang melatonin brands, nilulunok. So yung iba nakakalimutan nila, lalo na yung usual na sanay mag-take ng mga melatonin they forgot to take it sublingually. Ang effect kasi talaga, mas effective ang pure rest if you get to take it on a sublingual. And if ever hindi pa rin sila mag-okay sa one tab, that's the time that you can increase the dose after several days. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng problem when it comes to sleeping pattern natin. So, non-habit forming siya, ibig sabihin, hindi ka magke-create ng dependence dyan. Darating yung time, pag okay na yung sleep mo, it's okay for you not to continue it naman. But yung iba, kahit nagdedire-diretso na yung sleep nila, iba pa rin daw yung parang yung lalim ng tulog kapag sobrang well-rested yung katawan with pure rest. So, I've heard a lot of comments from that, especially from my parents, no? So, again, I'm gonna focus on each part. This time, let's start with the cardiovascular system, especially na yun yung top leading cause of mortality, no? Sa panahon ngayon, ang daming mga nagkakaroon ng mga heart health issues, and it has been a problem for more than a decade right now. Okay, I think. Yan. So, ano ba yung basic when it comes to the heart health? Ang common na naririnig natin is fish oil. Tama? So, sino ba yung naka-encounter na may client sila currently nagtitake na ng fish oil? Ano yung sinabi nyo, no, about our omega-3 or Biomega? It's very important. You have to reinforce first their, kumbaga, current na ginagawa. So, kung nag-omega-3 na siya, sabihin, oh, that's good. You're already taking fish oil. Maganda yan. And then, pwede mo siya back up ng additional information. Alam mo, friend, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, diba? Papaligiran tayo ng mga sweets, fast food, fried food, processed food. All of those give inflammation. Ang omega-3 is anti-inflammatory. Pangontra siya sa mga pro-inflammatory food. So, lalo na kapag from time to time talaga napapakain tayo ng mga ganyan, mga sweets, milk teas, and all, no? Mga added sugars, kung part siya ng lifestyle mo, hindi talaga totally maiwasan, then omega-3 has to really be part of your diet as well. Para meron kang pang-alalay, pangontra. Okay, so, lalo na kapag medyo may lahi tayo ng mga matataas ang cholesterol and all that, it's very important na meron tayong something to back us up. And not all fish oil are the same. For one, hindi malansa yung fish oil natin. Mataas yung absorption, and take note no na re-esterified triglyceride form yung ating fish oil, and that makes it mas mataas ang absorption kumpara sa ibang fish oil. And it also has, ano pa yung isang fat-soluble vitamin na kasama ng omega-3? Alam po ba natin yung isang fat-soluble vitamin na kasama ng omega-3 in Biomega? For those who have attended before the product trainings, ayan, quiz check. That is vitamin D. Okay, yun. Dito si Mentor. Hey, Mentor Chaps, idol natin yan. Okay, so, mahusay din yan. Attended tayo ng product training ni Mentor Chaps. So, super. So, vitamin D, guys, no? So, we all actually have several omega-3s from, several vitamin D from, meron tayo sa Biomega, meron din konti sa Cell Essentials, meron din konti sa Magnical D. But of course, makakatulong din yung ating pure vitamin D. Later, mas magigets natin. Okay? So, ano yung coverage again ng Biomega? It's for your brain, eyes, joint health, and yun nga, anti-inflammatory, which is the root cause kasi talaga, guys, no, ng maraming mga sakit is inflammation. So, we have to know that as well. Next one is fiber as part of your heart health. So, ang fiber, hindi lang siya good for weight management, para mas maging busog tayo. You know, it's also very important for your heart health. Ano ang requirement natin for fiber? And take note, kapag kulang tayo sa fiber, less than 20 grams, mataas ang risk mo magkaroon ng, mataas ang risk natin sa pagkakaroon ng colon cancer over time. Kaya, ang coverage ng fiber is not just for the heart, but also for the gut health as well. So, and did you know that, no, na yung fiber G natin is 1 scoop lang is already 9 grams. And yung Nutrimil natin is already 10 grams per 3 scopes. Kaya kapag pinagsama nyo yan in a day, more or less, achieve nyo na ang like 90%, 90 to 95% of your daily fiber requirement. Type natin fiber in the chat box kasi napaka-important talaga ng fiber, guys. And one of the most neglected nutrient talaga. Pero napaka-importante. You can get that from your complex carbohydrates like quinoa, rolled oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, bukod sa mga prutas and gulay natin dyan. Okay, yan. And next is soy protein. Beneficial din siya, no? Of course, we have our heart muscle. Ang heart muscle natin ang isa sa sobrang pagod na pagod because they have to work 24/7, di ba? Take note, more than 100,000 beats per day. So that's why we have to strengthen our muscles with the right amount of protein every day. So, soy protein ang isa sa importante. Okay, coming from mga munggo, tofu, tokwa, mga ganyan. And good thing that our protein meal replacement, soy protein, sobrang favorite ko din yan. I usually have that every breakfast. Nilalagyan ko yan sa overnight oats. Okay, so we have several flavors available naman for that. Ano bang favorite nyo, guys, na flavor ng Nutri-Meal? May I know? Share nyo naman in the chat box. Is it chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? Okay, para malaman din ng ating mga ibang kasamahan dito na haven't taken yet their Nutri-Meal. And my other feedback, no, sabi nung iba hindi siya lasang karton. I don't know with the other protein drink kasi hindi pa naman din ako nakakatry ng ibang brand. Pero yun yung isa sa common feedback. Very gourmet ang social daw ng lasa. Okay, moving forward, let's go na to our nervous system. Kamusta naman ang ating mga brain health? Sino yung mga trentahe na dyan? 30s era at baka papunta sa 30s. So as we age, kaya our focus begins to decline. Kaya it's very important na to empower our nerve cells or neurons, no, ng mga nutrients from Copa Prime. We have the American ginseng extract, coffee fruit extract. And don't worry, hindi siya yung parang cafe na hindi ka makakatulog. I even asked that, I think, kay Dr. Madela during the convention. Yung amount ng coffee fruit extract dyan sa Copa Prime, hindi siya nakakapalpitate. May iba kasi tinatanong yung mga ganun eh. Makapapalpitate po ba ako? Kasi bawal po ako sa too much ganyan, etc. So no, yung amount that is present in Copa Prime, it wouldn't trigger yung mga ganung bagay-bagay. Okay, Brahmi or Bacopa Monnieri. Ang nakakatuwa, guys, with Copa Prime, there's even a study na after just 45 minutes of taking it, nasa Ask the Scientist yan. Very interesting, guys, ang Ask the Scientist. I think nag-improve na rin sila, no? This time, ang dami na new and interesting information. There's a study, this is published, guys, sa Nutritional Neuroscience, that it can increase mental efficiency, improved accuracy, and response time. Di ba? Sino dito yung naka-experience na sobrang dami mong ginagawa, you feel so overwhelmed, na parang hindi ka na maka-function properly. There are even times na parang naglalag yung information, yung processing speed mo, hindi na ganun kabilis, para kang YouTube naglo-loading, ganyan. Sinong nakaka-relate? Mag-take na tayo na Copa Prime. So, nakakatuwa kasi yung study na to because even ang daming mga ginagawa, no, during the tests, still, talagang nakapag-keep up pa rin yung mga subjects during the research. Moving forward, dahil lahat tayo dito exposed to blue light, naka-laptop, naka-cellphone all day, and as we know, it emits blue light na over time, pwede talaga yung makalabo ng ating mga mata. Okay, so, and very interesting because there is a study wherein the nutrients like the lutein, zeaxanthin, blueberry extract, and vitamin C in Visionex, para siyang nag-filter. It filters out, the blue light coming from the gadgets. Kaya, ang dami ko ring feedback na naririnig na, like, even on my eye grade, no, before taking Visionex, parang every year siya tumataas. But for now, I think it has been like 3 years na it's been the same eye grade. And I also had a case wherein, I think early 72 years old, subject siya for operation. I forgot the specific eye problem, pero I think recurring cataract ata yun. Tapos may isa pa siyang eye issue eh. Due siya for operation and I think 2 months by the time na binigyan ko siya ng Visionex, Bio-Omega. Pero nung bumalik siya sa doctor niya, no need na daw. So it was like ano lang yon, no? Dalawang product lang yun, Bio-Omega and Visionex. Sobrang nakatulong din sa eye health niya. Also, there is this study, guys, wherein, pagdating kasi natin ng 60, meron na ba dito? Meron ba kayong mga clients na nasa seniority age, 60s above? So it's good also to bring this up because usually on their stage, pwedeng magkaroon ng tinatawag na macular degeneration. So, sabi dito, no, ng study, lutein and zeaxanthin work to prevent macular degeneration. And what if yung kausap mo meron na siyang macular degeneration? Then it can reduce the progression of late stage. So whether yung kausap mo gusto mag-prevent or currently occurring, it can help. So best to take Visionex sa gabi, right? 1 to 2 tabs. Can be 2 tabs at night. Yan. So it has lutein, zeaxanthin. And isa rin pala, no, sabi nung kausap ko din na Opta, ang kaibahan din ng Visionex as compared to other eye supplement is, ang common kasi sa ibang eye supplement, lutein and zeaxanthin lang. So for this one, it has also the other antioxidants like the bilberry extract and vitamin C. So of course, more antioxidant, the better. Para more protection. Moving forward, for our bone health does not just provide the structure, but also protects your internal organs, stores and releases fat. O, diba? Interesting to know. Produces blood cells, stores and releases minerals. Ganun siya ka-importante. Bukod sa pag-support sa katawan mo and facilitating movement. Ngayon, question, whenever umiinom ka ng caffeine and soda, ano yung katawan na mas less na absorb? Ano yung nutrient na mas less na absorb sa katawan mo? Is it A, B, C, or D? Ano ang tamang sagot? Ay, ang huhusay. Mga ano to, summa cum laude. Mga wellness coach naman na ata yung nandito. Alright, so the answer is calcium. Yes, no? So, imagine kung hindi ka ganun ka-conscious kung na-achieve mo ba yung tamang calcium requirement. Tapos lagi pa tayong umiinom ng may cafe, may soda, kaya hindi na natin alam kung kamusta na ba ang level, no, ng calcium sa ating katawan. So, kailan ba nagsisimula ang pagbaba ng tinatawag na bone mineral density? Again, trentahin era talaga yan. Kaya it's very important na even before we reach the age of 30, we can start becoming more conscious, no, sa pag-achieve ng right amount ng calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. Because osteoporosis, it's a chronic disease. Meaning once you have it, talagang it's very challenging to bring it back to a normal bone. Okay, that's why it's very important. Now, ano po ang kaibahan ng calcium supplement natin with the other bone supplement? Sino dito yung may nakausap na oo, nagtitake naman na ako ng supplement for my bones? Meron na ba? Okay, usually the common brand is what? Caltrate, di ba? So, ano bang kaibahan ng Magnical D? So, meron tayong 1:1 ratio. Ibig sabihin ng 1:1 ratio, if you get to check the milligram ng calcium at magnesium sa bote, it's the same. Kasi for the other brands, if the magnesium goes higher than the calcium, doon siya hindi okay. Pero dahil sobrang talino ng mga scientists na meron tayo, they know, di ba, yung mga ganyang tamang formulation, right? It also has vitamin D together with it. Kasi sila guys yung magkakabarkada. They have to, be in synergy together para talagang maging strong yung bone health natin. And also, it has boron. Boron, para siyang, it keeps all those minerals intact to your bone. Kasi darating yung stage, especially for those na medyo nasa postmenopausal stage, nagkakaroon ng parang bone deposition, right? So, the boron in Magnecal D helps to keep those minerals intact. And also, yung Magnecal D natin, hindi lang siya for bone health, very important din siya for our muscle and nerve health. Meron din tayong studies wherein makakatulong din siya for our healthy brain function. Kaya marami talagang gamit itong Magnecal D, guys. For some cases, for some guys na may migraine, acid reflux, ganyan, binibigay din natin siya. And by the way, yung kind of magnesium, baka meron kayong clients, for some, nakaramdam sila ng mas urge to go for bowel movement, baka masyado nilang na-take ng maraming tablet on a single time yung, kasi ang kind of magnesium, guys, sa Magnecal D is magnesium citrate. Meron talagang tendency siya since ang magnesium citrate kasi it has a tendency to move more, yung tinatawag na peristalsis, yung bituka natin, mas gumalaw siya. Good naman yon, pero kapag let's say, uminom ka agad ng 2 to 3 tablets sa isang take ng Magnecal D, talagang mapapapoops ka talaga niya ng bongga, loose bowel. Okay? That's why it's very important for you to spread it out. Meron kasi akong ibang cases na rinig na, once niya lang tinitake lahat para daw hindi na makalimutan, ganyan. Kaya lang proper timing din kasi is very important. So if you spread it out, like halimbawa, 1 tab sa morning, 2 tabs sa tanghali or sa hapon, tapos 1 tab sa gabi, yung parang ganon siya. Okay? So, ilagyan nyo ng spacing yung pag-intake nitong tablet ng Magnecal D para hindi ka magkaroon ng sobrang loose na bowel movement. Right? Kasi for some, maganda naman na talaga yung bowel movement nila. Pero sobrang nakakatulong yun, lalo na yung iba na sobrang constipated. Tapos, nag-take nito, kaya sobrang na-appreciate talaga. Now, our bone, of course, is iba siya. Iba yung requirement ng bone mo, iba rin yung requirement ng joints mo. Kasi for some, napapatanong din sila, pag ba naka-Magnecal D na ako, can it also address yung mga sumasakit-sakit sa mga joints ko, ganyan. So, it's another story. Okay, that's why doon po sobrang nagiging helpful ang ating Procosa. Meron din tayong intelligence dyan. Okay, so it's glucosamine hydrochloride with chondroitin sulfate. It also has the Miriva curcumin na mas siya yung absorbable form, no? Meron din siyang vitamin C para it can promote more collagen production. Okay, so I have a lot of cases nito na hindi na sila tumuloy for knee replacement kasi talagang nag-okay na yung lakad nila. I also have another case na OB siya. Diba CS, pag CS, ang tagal nilang nag-oopera, nakatayo, ganyan. Sabi niya, usually per salang niya, no, straight, isang tao lang yung kaya niyang i-CS. But there was a time wherein 2 weeks pa lang niyang iniinom yung Procosa combination, Magnecal D Procosa, Biomega. Hindi niya napansin na dalawa na pala yung naoperahan niya straight na for CS. Di ba? Tapos medyo matagal-tagal siyang nakatayo. Okay? So isa yon sa mga feedback that I've heard. It's because hindi niya naramdaman yung kaniyang joint pains during that time. And pagbaba niya sa clinic, dahil may stairs sila, napansin niya rin na hindi niya kailangan masyadong pumawak dun sa railing. So imagine, di ba, the productivity and the quality of life it can bring whenever consistent nating naiinom to. And by the way, my mom before has like frozen shoulder, tennis elbow, trigger finger, ganyan. Dapat for operation din siya. Sabi ng doktor, pag inoperahan, hindi pwedeng gumalaw or bawal yung mga maraming activities for 6 months, di ba? And syempre, ang 6 months sobrang tagal nun. So what we did, optimal dose, take note, optimal dose, di ba? Walang tipid-tipid. Kasi mas, mas maraming mawawala sa'yo kapag hindi ka productive, right? Pag hindi nakapag-perform sa mga dapat gampanan sa life. Optimal dose ng Procosa, Magnecal D Biomega, hindi natuloy yung operation. So parang in just less than 2 months, nawala na lang yung mga ganong mga joint health issues niya. Okay, so moving forward, let's go naman to our immune system. When it comes to immune system, ayan, sino yung may mga ngayon, medyo sinisipon-sipon, inuubo-ubo, and how long has it been, right? Especially ngayon, rainy season, tag-ulan, it's very important to know about this, guys. Pagdating sa immune system mo, ang kailangan mo lang tandaan is kailangan tulungan natin yung immune cells natin to detect, no? Mahuli niya agad nasan may pumasok bang kalaban sa katawan na 'to, and gaano siya kumbaga during the battle, okay? Importante yung stamina ng mga immune cells natin to fight. Kumpletuhin niya kung from round 1 to round 10 man yan, hanggang ma-knock out yung kalaban, ganong level. And at the same time, it's very important for them to remember yung pathogen or yung mga bacteria, viruses man yung pumasok sa katawan mo. Okay, so isa-isahin natin ano ba yung mga klase. Kasi marami tayong kinds ng immune cells, guys, no? Hindi nyo naman kailangan sobrang memorize or whatnot. It's just that it's just important for you to know para maintindihan natin na ang common kasi, nag-vitamin C ako for my immune system. Ang tanong, sapat na ba talaga si vitamin C para gampanan lahat ng trabaho nung, alam mo yun, para i-empower lahat yung immune cells mo to do all of these jobs? So this time, yun yung kailangan nating, mag-sink in sa atin that it takes more than just vitamin C for us to have the optimal level ng immune system natin. If we really would want it to work for us, especially ngayong tag-ulan, no? Paiba-iba yung weather. So again, sa pag-detect ng pathogen, imagine ang isang security guard, 'di ba? Or for us to secure, to know kung meron bang pumapasok na kalaban, let's say, sa isang building, 'di ba? Ang isang security guard equipped yan with the right weapons, meron yang flashlight, probably meron yang baril, etc. and all. So, marami siyang way to detect kung CCTV, parang ganyan. So, ang isang facility, maraming way to detect kung meron bang mga invader na papasok sa isang lugar. So, dapat ganun din ka-equip, yung mga immune cells mo. And you need vitamin D, probiotics, zinc, reishi, and shiitake mushrooms, beta-glucans primarily, to enhance yung ganyang function ng immune cells mo, right? So, imagine, sa pag-detect pa lang ng kalaban, kailangan 4 na agad para, optimal yung function na yan. Now, next, when it comes to fighting pathogen, it's very important na yung stamina nung immune cells natin, hindi siya madaling bumigay. Kumbaga, yung tipong hindi lang from round 1 to round 3. Kailangan hanggang ma-knock out yung kalaban. Ganon katindi yung resilience or stamina ng immune cells natin. Right? So, of course, you would need their vitamin C, zinc, resveratrol, which is present yan sa Cell Essentials and Proflavanol C. Probiotics and vitamin D, you need also magnesium for that, beta-glucan. So, yun yung sense, guys, kung why is it that there are different combinations, the Cell Essentials, and yung pag-combine ng Cell Essentials with like Poly-C or Prof-C, tapos may ininom pang Magnical D, how all of these can play together. And when it comes to your immune system, sobrang makakatulong siya. Beta-glucan, saan present yan? Sa proglucamine, right? Especially kapag meron tayong, alam mo, sobrang effective din talaga ng proglucamine when it comes to your respiratory or lung health. Kaya kung sino mga inuubo dyan, or yung tipong yung phlegm mo, hindi matanggal ang hirap ilabas. Ako guys, I'm telling you, sobrang effective ng proglucamine for that. The last time, way back that I have had that, mga ubo-ubo moments, talagang in-optimal dose ko lang yung proglucamine for like 3 days na 222. Kusa na siya talagang lumabas. I never needed yung mga, what do you call that? Mucolytic, no? Hindi na ako nag-mucolytic. Just proglucamine is already enough. And the other immune, related nutritionals. So it's very important din, syempre, na maalala ng immune cells mo kung sino yung mga kalaban na pumasok sa katawan mo in the form of bacteria and viruses so that when it enters your body again, alam niya how it can fight better. The thing is, minsan kapag kulang ka sa tulog, mas nahihirapan yung immune cells mo. Kaya yung iba, no, na puyat, kulang sa tulog, sila din talaga yung mahina yung immune system. right? Kaya kung napansin nyo during nung COVID time, bakit hindi lang vitamin C and zinc yung importante? Very important din na uminom sila ng melatonin para magkaroon ng quality sleep. Because during quality sleep, doon nagkakaroon ng recovery and that you're also helping your immune cells to remember those bacteria and viruses that are entering your body so that it can fight better the next time around it enters again. Okay, so again, very important for you to strengthen the function ng immune system mo. It knows how to detect, fight, and remember lahat ng mga masasamang bagay na pumapasok sa katawan natin. And makakatulong po yung mga vitamins na yan. Okay, so proglucam Policy, Magnecal D, pati yung vitamin D. Sorry, hindi ko pala nadagdag siya, no? The very new vitamin D that we have, maximum naman for vitamin D is around 5,000 IU, but even though you take that for like 2 times a day, 900 times 2 is like 1/8, more or less close to 2,000 is already enough. Lalo na kung you're also getting your vitamin D from Magnical D, Biomega, Essentials, and all. Moving forward, konti na lang to, no? Digestive health. So kung sa immune health, tatlong bagay yung nalaman natin, di ba? Detect, fight, and remember. So digestive health mo, usually, ano lang to, no? Common knowledge natin is losing weight. Pero hindi ka kasi makakapag-lose ng weight effectively pag hindi ka nakaka-breakdown ng nutrients, nakakapag-absorb at eliminate ng toxins efficiently. Okay? Ito yung tatlong bagay na kailangan sobrang galing gawin ng digestive system mo. And when it comes to breaking down nutrients, ang may trabaho niyan are your enzymes. Yes, present yan sa katawan natin, pero habang nag-age tayo, nababawasan din yan. Kaya it's very important. Kaya I'm very happy when digestive enzyme came here in the Philippines because nung wala pa yan dito sa Pilipinas, there was a Makati med doctor who prescribed that sa mother ko. Diba? So, syempre, saan pa hanapin nun? Wala pa yan sa Usana. But when it came already here, maganda ma-maximize natin siya. So, kumbaga, yan yung taga-breakdown ng mga carbohydrate, protein, fat na kinakain natin into smaller molecules para eventually, pagpunta niyan sa bloodstream, ma-absorb siya. Next naman is probiotic. So, over time, nawawalan din tayo ng probiotic lalo na kapag sino dito yung nakapag-antibiotic na? Okay, type antibiotic in the chat box. So at some point ng buhay natin, di ba, naresetahan tayo ng antibiotic. It can be because oral health problem or kumbaga ubo ka for more than 2 weeks, green na yung phlegm mo, hindi pa gumagaling, niresetahan ka ng antibiotic, mga ganong moments. The thing is, it kills not just the bad bacteria but also the good ones. That's why you need to replenish the good bacteria that was lost through the probiotics na meron tayo. Ang kaibahan pala guys ng probiotic natin as compared with the others is it has the most well-studied good bacteria, the Bifidobacterium BB12 and Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG. Kasi kung yung kausap mo, let's say, take sila ng probiotic, you have to differentiate yung sana probiotic kumpara sa iba. Yun nga, no, for one is most well-studied yung probiotic natin, yung dalawang yon, and it has 12 billion CFU. Yung Ursiflora kasi I think it has around 2 billion CFU. Ano yung CFU? Yun yung number ng live and active bacteria. So I had many moments wherein ang bilis talaga nitong, halimbawa, yung bata, meron siyang digestive issues, nagda-diarrhea, ganyan. And then, mga immune-related din. Like for me, sobrang nakatulong din siya in addressing my allergic rhinitis, no? Together with the other immune products na, immune-related system products na discuss natin kanina. Next one is absorption. Yan ang primary role din talaga guys ng good bacteria. Yan ang tagasipsip ng lahat ng sustansya na pumapasok dyan sa katawan natin. So that's why if you're very particular right now of your diet, sobrang conscious ka talaga of eating the healthy stuff, but then ito yung nami-miss out natin. Good bacteria, very important. Take it every other day for 1 month. Pero for those na medyo compromised yung immune system, you can even take it for every day. Okay, so Itong other nutrients na nandito, nasaan si broccoli concentrate? Anong product ito? Tsaka si green tea extract. Broccoli extract is in what product? Hepacil. Okay, so it's very important for our liver. Green tea extract, AGCG, nasan siya? Nasa Active Plus. Okay, so Meriva curcumin, there's a little amount in Cell Essentials. There's also in Proposa. Okay, so elimination of toxins. Yan. Sino na yung nakatikim ng detox tea mix natin? Sobrang sarap din yan. It's very good right now, especially hot tea, no? For a cold weather. Yan. So, licorice root, dandelion, ginger, cinnamon, and peppermint. It's also very good kapag ka medyo nagsamgyup ka, nagbuffet, tapos nakakatulong din siyang pang-digest. Yan. Liver supporting nutrients are the following. All of these are present sa ating Hepacil. Okay, so hindi lang siya Silimarin. Diba? Common yung liver aids, Silimarin, ganyan. Kaya lang guys, when you search about liver detoxification process dun sa phase 1 at phase 2, hindi lang po milk thistle extract ang dinedemand ng ating liver. Okay, it's really a list of a lot of nutrients, which is most of it, you can find naman sa Cell Essentials and Hepacil. Kaya yun yung kagandahan. And I had a lot of cases, SGPT, SGOT nila, nag-normalize in just like 2 to 3 months, no? May mga fatty liver and all that with the help of Hepacil, plus of course, healthy diet. Okay, so just to summarize, breakdown of nutrients, absorption, and elimination. You have all of these nutrients working together. Kasi hindi po madali yung mga trabaho na yan, no? Kaya hindi lang din, you don't expect na isa lang yung magtatrabaho for that complex job. That's the context of what we are talking about here. Kaya importante yung synergy, yung pagtutulungan. Sabi nga para silang Avengers. Together, they are stronger. Ganyan. Okay, so moving forward, of course, meron din tayong collagen. Anong age nagsa-start ma-lose yung ating collagen? Anyone? Guess what age? What age? As early as, actually 20s. Yes, opo, as early as 20s pa. May backup studies tayo dyan. Yes, as early as 20s, you begin to lose collagen. No? Lalo na kapag mahilig po tayo sa sweets. Sweets is yan, sweet, simple sugars, pastries, milk tea. Kaya in moderation. Okay. Pag po natin araw-arawin. Kaya 'di ba parang guilty kapag ka nag-sweets ka tapos nagko-collagen drink ka. So, nasasayang, di ba? So, limit po natin yung mga simple sugars and sweets natin if we really want to have a good amount of collagen in our body. It's the most abundant kind of protein sa katawan po natin. It's very good for your skin, for your joints, hair and nails. Diba? Kung sino yung pagka medyo weak na yung nails mo, numinipis, check mo, madaling manlagas, manipis yung hair. Oh, it also has biotin, by the way. Vitamin C, biotin is also very good for sa mga hair, nails, ganyan. And meron din yan siyang, of course, vitamin C to support further collagen production. Men's health, we have the Palmetto Plus for prostate health. Yan, napaka-importante din po yan. And you can start na rin to like on a mid-30s to 40s pataas. Pwede na kayo mag-stake ng prostate health natin. Okay, so, and these are the people, many people, no? Congratulations. Meron bang mga kasamahan tayo dito na nandito sa slide natin right now. So, for those who would like to have the weight management program of USANA, sobrang makakatulong din dyan ang ating these combination. No? So, majority of this we have talked about earlier, but it's very important if you get to take this like as a set. Mas magiging effective po, no, yung ating results for that. And syempre, most grateful tayo because right now, my parents, sino ba dito may mga senior parents na, diba? So we have been taking USANA for more than 5 years already. No maintenance medication. Personal health concern ko rin, I've been having allergic rhinitis before. Matagal akong dependent sa nasal spray, antihistamine, ganyan. So nawala na rin yun. And yung sister ko din, no, na may asthma, PCOS, and seafood allergy, lahat din yon nawala na rin sa kanya. but it takes a consistent, don't expect na 1 month lang wala na, ganyan. It takes time. Okay, so may take for some 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, dire-diretso, kailangan po consistent. Kasi hindi mo naman overnight na-acquire yung mga sakit na yan. So don't expect po na overnight din masosolusyonan yung mga problema natin. Okay? Plus, again, it has to be also holistic. Okay? So ito pong napag-usapan natin lahat, what does it translate to? It all translates to a better quality of life. Yung tipong, we don't just talk about lifespan, but also health span. And when you say health span, it's the quality of life while you age. You can do what you want to do. Diba? Makakapag-jump shot ka sa mga travels and all, bonggang-bonggang lakaran and all that. And these are my lola. Sino dito yung may mga lolo and lola na kasama? Sobrang makakatulong sa kanila to have the quality of life na natitirang years na meron sila. So both of them, natutuwa ako, sobrang ganang kumain. And bonus yun guys, no, for an age like them na masarap silang kumain. It means talagang well-functioning pa yung kanilang mga sensory organs, yung kanilang digestive health, right? So, yeah, chill-chill na lang yan sila. And lastly, I would like to emphasize also this one to have na kailangan holistic pa din yung approach. So kasi for some, baka sila na, oh, si ganito, nakayo sana, pero bakit nagkaroon pa rin ng ganitong health problem? So it's not just because hindi siya dahil sa sana, but it's because of you have to assess and detect ano yung lifestyle. Can you type that in the chat box? Kamusta yung lifestyle nitong taong to? Because yung problema at solusyon, dito lang din iikot yung pinag-uusapan na, yung natin, no, the context, right? Kasi pwedeng, yes, tinitake niya nga lahat, pero sedentary lifestyle, walang physical activity, ang taas ng stress level sa work, and then 4 hours lang yung sleep niya, tapos nagsisigarilyo, nag-aalak, ganyan. So, ilan yun, di ba? It's like 4 problems out of the 6 na dapat ina-exercise natin. So, over time, pwedeng may area dyan hindi pa super perfect on your end. It's totally fine. So long as meron po tayong consciousness to over time, no, i-enhance natin or i-intensify natin yung practice in each of that area. So, sa nutrition, sa physical activity, at least 150 minutes per week of physical activity. Ideally, not just cardio, but also strength and resistance training, lalo sa mga trentahin era dyan, di ba? Because we need really to improve our muscle mass. Your muscle mass, sabi nga yan yung longevity engine natin. And may increase mo lang yan through 2 things, protein and strength and resistance training. Third is, of course, stress management. We have different ways naman how to do that. And ilaban talaga natin, we get to have always 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every day. Positive social connection. Well, in fact, kung nasa iyo sana naman tayo, syempre, di ba, we're very grateful to have that community. And I hope you also get to find ways to avoid yung mga, natin, cigarette smoking, alcohol drinking, and all that. So, yeah, I hope I hope we connect in social media. You can add me on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram for further questions or clarifications. Thank you, everyone, and stay safe.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Coach Mary Rose. Coach, maka lang po kami ng picture with you. Ayan.
Yes, Pogi.
Ayan. Open cam po tayo, everyone. Grabe, no? Ganda ng training natin. Dagdag knowledge. Dagdag, for sure sa mga closing natin. Sa mga nagre-retail, yung mga maraming tanong prospect. So, open po tayo ng cam, everyone. Ayan. Magpipicture po tayo medyo marami tayo today sa Zoom. Grabe, 210, nakakatuwa. Okay na ba? Sige, open cam. Smile lang po tayo kasi medyo matagal tayo. Ilang page to? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Next. Smile lang po. Baka yung iba naka-smile, tas naka-off cam. Open mo na ng cam. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, next. Smile. Ah,
Mommy.
okay. Ayan. So, don't forget, lahat tayo mag-unmute, then say thank you to Coach Mary Rose. Napakagandang presentation and training. I hope and comment, pwede kayo mag-message.
Thank you very
Find
much.
Thank you very
wherever
much,
Facebook
Thank
page.
you,
Thank you,
Coach.
Thank you,
Coach.
Coach.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
So,
Coach.
before we end,
Thank you so much,
don't
Coach.
forget yung mga announcement natin.
Ang daming
Natin mga announcement for this week. So, for next week, we are joined by for our new entrepreneurs orientation, si Coach Regine Malana. And sa August 31 naman, yung huling araw ng buwan na to, success story ni Mentor Martin Casiano. So, next is, tomorrow, we have an income booster. So, we are joined by, our presenters would be Coach Jab Valera, grabe ang ating molecular biologist. Another for sure na ng maraming ma-share about sa products, 'di ba? Pag may mga guest kayo na medyo skeptical about the product or medyo ma-research kuno, so perfect tong ating presenter for tomorrow. And medyo nawawala lang yung slides. Then ang ating closing is none other than our Diamond Director, Mentor Mayan Magsino. So for Thursday, meron tayong beauty and business joined by our mentor Florence, Diamond Director. So yung mga medyo makikay na ating guest, pwede natin dalhin sa Thursday. So mahilig sa skincare. And for Friday, we are joined by our civil engineer. So si Coach Jates. And ating closing is none other than our Diamond Director, Mentor Lorenzo Relente, Mentor Enzo. So for our NBPO sa Sunday, ang magpe-present sa atin is si Coach Tracy, ang ating Gold Director. And for sa last Sunday ng August, ang ating Diamond Director si Mentor RB Villanueva. So, and we have a new training sa ating mga steadfast builder. So, exclusive training. So, yung mga mahabol pa nagrarun ng steadfast builder. So, make sure na ma-hit na natin yan para makasama tayo sa steadfast builder training. Very exclusive training. And don't forget din sa mga nag-hit ng goals nila, maging new believer, di ba? So, I can really vouch for this training kasi yun, ilan na yung nag-rank advance after nung training na to. Isa na ako doon. So, ang newest director din natin, batchmate ko siya dito sa New Believers Training. So, that would be on September 5 sa Ascot, Makati. So, meron pa ba? Next announcement. I think that's all. Ayan. General reminder lang, we have only 6 weeks to go. Mahaba pa yan. Mahigit 1 buwan pa yan. So, hit na natin yung goals natin mabilis para hit na natin tong Coron, Palawan. And hindi lang, maybe not only for one tier 2 din, di ba? Ma-maximize natin to 6 weeks, very very pa yan, mahabang time pa yan. And syempre yung ating global convention, be ready na rin kasi malapit, alam ko October na yung ang ating paunahan yan kasi limited lang ata sa 700 yung ating tickets sa Philippines. So don't forget yung mga announcement. And I think that's all. So thank you everyone for joining us this training, no. I'm sure marami tayong natutunan. And excited na i-apply, 'di ba? Ma-share na natin talaga sa maraming tao tong natutunan natin. So that's all. I think wala na tayong nakalimutan. Thank you everyone. Have a good night.